Welcome to Beautyistic. If you're like me, you're always on the lookout for easy ways to achieve a salon-worthy look from the comfort of home. Today, I've got something for you that might just make your next nail day a whole lot easier. The Kiss imPRESS No Glue Mani Press-On Nails in the My Worth design. Now, I know what you're thinking. Press-on nails? Are they really a game changer or just another product that doesn't live up to the hype? Well, we're about to find out, but let's start with the basics. These are short, Squoval-shaped press-on nails, pre-decorated in a chic white design, and they come with everything you need to create a flawless, no-glue mani. So what's inside the box? You get 30 press-on nails in various sizes to fit most nail beds, a prep pad for cleaning your nails before application, a mini file to smooth everything out, and a manicure stick to make application even easier. No glue, no mess, just a super easy way to get gorgeous nails. Let's talk about the most important aspect here. How easy is it to use these? Well, I can say from personal experience that the process is quick and painless. Simply prep your nails with the included alcohol pad, pick out the nails that fit best, and press them on. That's it. There's no drying time, no glue to worry about, and they stay put all day. I wore them for several days during some of my usual routines, working, cooking, even doing laundry. And they didn't budge. I was honestly impressed with how secure they felt. Now, comfort is another major factor when it comes to press-on nails. These have a pretty secure fit without feeling too tight or bulky. The Squoval shape makes them feel natural on the nails, which I loved. They're light and don't cause any irritation. Plus, they're designed to not damage your natural nails, which is a big win for me, as I've experienced some damage with other brands in the past. As for their durability, I'd say these nails are built to last. I wore them for a week with no chips, no smudges, and no lifting at the edges. They're waterproof, chip-proof, and smudge-proof, so they held up beautifully through everything from hand washing to typing away on my laptop. If you're heading to a special event or just want an easy everyday manicure, these nails are definitely a hassle-free option. But as with any product, there are a few considerations. One thing I noticed is that while they are secure, I did feel like I needed to be more cautious with them than my usual gel manicures. For example, if I accidentally banged my nails against something hard, it left a slight impression that faded over time. However, for the most part, they were sturdy and held up well under daily wear. When it comes to value, these press-on nails are a solid investment. At a reasonable price point, you're getting a product that's both cost-effective and high quality, considering you get everything needed for an at-home mani without the cost of a salon visit. Plus, there's no need for professional expertise to apply them, making them perfect for anyone who wants a quick, chic look. If you're wondering how these stack up against other press-on nails on the market, I'd say they perform on par with some of the more expensive brands, and in some ways, they're even better. The no-glue factor alone sets them apart from the traditional press-ons that require adhesive, saving time and making them easier to use. In terms of the build quality, the nails themselves feel sturdy, and the packaging is practical and secure, with everything packed neatly inside. As far as longevity goes, these nails can last up to a week if applied correctly, which is great compared to other products that can peel off after a couple of days. So, who would I recommend this for? If you're someone who wants a quick and easy way to glam up your nails for a night out or a special event, this product is perfect for you. It's also ideal for those who want to avoid the mess of glue or traditional polish. While they may not be the best choice for those who want a long-term solution or have very active hands, I think these nails would work well for many people, especially those who want to look polished with minimal effort. Mid-review call to action. If you're enjoying this review and finding it helpful, go ahead and hit that like button, subscribe, and click the bell icon so you never miss out on our honest reviews. Your support helps us keep bringing you real insights on all the latest beauty products. To wrap it up, the Kiss imPRESS No Glue Mani Press-On Nails are an excellent option for anyone looking for a quick, no-hassle manicure with a professional finish. They're comfortable, durable, and offer great value for the price. While they might not last as long as a salon manicure, they are still a solid choice for those wanting convenience and style on the go. Thank you so much for tuning in to Beautyistic today. If you've already tried these press-ons, I'd love to hear what you think. Drop a comment below and share your thoughts with us. Until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.